Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a festive Christmas hummus with fresh colorful toppings. Let's make it together. First open the cans of chickpeas, drain them and save the liquid. We will use this chickpea water later, so don't throw it away. If you like, you can cook the chickpeas at home. Once they cooked, put them in cold water and peel them, because for this hummus we need skinless chickpeas. Now pour the chickpeas into your blender to start making the hummus. Add 4 cloves of garlic. Add a quarter cup of olive oil to the blender for a smooth and creamy hummus. Now pour in 1 cup of the reserved chickpea liquid into the blender to make the hummus creamy and smooth. Next, add 4 tablespoons of tahini to the blender for that rich, classic hummus flavor. Now squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add it to the blender for a fresh, tangy flavor. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. And we are ready to blend everything into a smooth hummus. Blend everything together until it becomes smooth and creamy, the perfect hummus texture. For an extra smooth and chilled hummus, add 2 ice cubes and blend again. Our hummus is now ready. You can transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish with chickpeas, chopped parsley, and a drizzle of olive oil. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. And tell me in the comments what recipe should I make next. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.